Bakit? Di ba pwede yun? Meron akong kakilala ganun, malaki na, nag-inom pa rin ng ganun ah. Sarap daw eh.
It was only temporary, but I guess our feelings are good for a while. Now you're just a memory, a story that I'll never tell. So our words just faded goodbye. You had yours, I had mine. Got lost in the ephemeral.
Ram, libre mo naman ako ng milk tea. Sahod mo naman eh. So, sabi mo sa akin yung 15% ng sahod mo. Diba? Wala ka pang binibigay sa akin. 3 months na. Ay, Baldovino.
I'm still learning how to love without scars. It's only temporary, and I guess our feelings are good for a while. Now you're just a memory, a story that I never tell. 'Cause now we're just living the life. And you had yours and I had mine.
Diyan.
Different directions.
Wait lang, lompat. Hello, Chloe.
Favorite.
Thank you, Troy, for the heart me. Thank you. Sinipon ako lamig eh. Inom ka ng ano? Inom ka ng Losartan ba yun? Mr. Jet. Hi, hello. Romy, hello. Alexa? Pwede. Sabi ko, Losartan eh. Ito na ang init. Hindi naman malamig. Wala lang. Yung jacket lang ako kasi nakatuba. Ma-respect ka TikTok eh. Yung jacket ako. Taga saan ka, host? Dito po sa bahay, church. Sabi science. Sa katawan lang yun eh. Ano katawan? Katawan ba yun? Hindi ah. Hi, James. Galiti. Gatay ka, Mr. Taon ka na, host. Nasa hot seat ata tayo eh. 22 po. 22. 22 ako, Romy. 55.